Hey guys, welcome back to the Maestro Speaks. How you guys doing out there? I'm appreciative of having you guys here with me as I go through this particular pair, NZDUSD, the daily time frame. Now, before I go any further, let me go to full screen. Now, if you remember my previous video when I was analyzing this currency pair, I don't know if you remember that we were talking about the consolidated area that was the ranging that was happening within this particular area. But I figured something out based on, knowing how the market works to some degree, not professing to be a guru of any sort, but knowing how the market normally operates. I see I saw a bullish potential, okay? Because while in the consolidation, I saw a double bottom form at the area of support. And I figured, you know what? The bulls are going to take over. So said, so done. Now, mind you, you did have some fake outs happening. Because remember now, this candle was a strong candle. Initially, this because you had the rejection here and then you had this bullish engulfing candle here. But then the market did go up. But of course, a lot of persons were faked out. A lot of persons were faked out right here because they panicked because the sellers came in and when they saw that, they said, okay, we're going to send the market down, right? But the bulls said, nope, not yet. We're not done. All right. So, the bulls, those strategic bulls, because you have bulls who are not strategic and bulls that are strategic. The strategic bulls saw this as a fake out. And they said, you know what, we're going to get in at a better price. It's plain and simple. So when they saw this initial fake out, they would have gotten in here. Some would have probably waited and probably drew some type of Fibonacci of some sort, or you use your eye and you analyze levels in the market, and they drew a particular level where the market could have retraced to, and they would have gotten in maybe at a sniper entry, scaling down to a lower time frame for entry. Now they would have entered the market, and exactly what I said that the market could do or would do, it actually did, But of course, the market can do anything. I am not a psychic, nor do I profess to have psychic powers. But just knowing what the market does based off of experience, yes, okay, because humans are we are we are we are creatures of habits, okay, and there are humans that trade the market, not machines. Okay. So these movements in the market, these are the human beings participating within the Forex market. However, as it stands, while I speak to you, the market is currently at a critical level on the daily time frame. Now, herein lies what I said in my last video. Remember, I said if the market gets to this zone, remember I told you to expect a tug of war. I told you to expect a tug of war because I'm going to scale down to the hour time frame and I'm going to show you that there is an actual tug of war going on. And right now it's 9:13 a.m. Eastern Standard, the 4th of August. Okay. This market did take a while to kind of break out of that consolidation. Now, looking at this market, there are two ways this market can go. It can go either up or down. All right. However, this level here is a very, very interesting level, the same zone right here. Because what I'm going to do, I am going to scale down. I'm going to show you. I am going to scale down to the hour time frame and show you what's going on. This right here, see, the market, it came up to this level, and you look at the bearish engulfing candle right there. But then, of course, you got the buyer saying no. The buyers, aka the bulls, are saying no, not yet. The bears are saying yes, it's time. the bulls are saying again, no, we taking this market up. So this market could very well break this psychological level or this critical level and go all the way up, or this market could either break, form a double top, okay, and in terms of the reversal, and could continue back down to the area of the previous support that has been bouncing off of for a couple of days now. This now is where the tug of war begins. Like I told you, buyers and sellers watch these levels. I'm not talking about the persons who are in the market, trading the market, and they ain't not supposed to be trading. I'm not talking about the ones who want to be forex traders and don't know anything, and they just want to put buy in or sell in because they see the candle going up, the candle going down. I'm talking about the technical analysts, the fundamental analysts, all right? Those who make their who do their analysis properly, okay? And who study price action. Notice, look at my chart. My chart has no indicators on it because your eyes are your best indicators. I'm not saying that don't use indicators, because indicators, they act as what they would call in forex confluence. They add to the confluence factor, right? But if you got eyes that's working, your eyes could tell you what's going on. And there are high probability trade setups based on what your eyes tell you. Now you just have to know what you're looking for. This market could very well push and break this level, or I could respect this level and go all the way back down. That's the decision now that has to be made. Now, if you were a buyer from the long haul, you might want to consider getting out right now because you fear that the market, this is where the market gets tricky. But of course, the sellers can take a risk and see what happens. But of course, make sure, if you're going to sell this market here, make sure you have a good risk to reward ratio so that even if you lose this trade, it won't be the end of the world for you. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. When I say that, don't over leverage your account to blow your account, because you're going to have persons right here, dumb money is going to get in here. Even the ones who could trade, the retail traders who can trade, they're going to be very excited, and they're going to say, you know what, this market has to come down, and it might not happen. As you can see, this off the hourly, I see some rejection happening where the bulls are saying, no, 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 we're about to take this market up. But then you never know what's going to happen. This is a psychological level. Now, whoever dominates, it's basically off of your psychology. What you think gonna happen, whoever dominates, the majority are thinking that way. That's all that means. This is not written in stone that the market has. See, it's pushing as we speak. The bulls are saying, we're gonna take over, but yet the seller's still there. So it's up to you what you're gonna do. But if you are buying this market, you might consider coming out just for safety. Or what you can do, if you already bought from down here, you move your stop loss past break even now, not at break even. I would say past break even, so that at least you'll have some type of profit, so if the market goes against you, you could close in profit, all right? And you should have done that long time, actually. Okay? See, now the sellers are saying no. I tell you all, the tug of war, right here. Psychology is being, this is a there's some serious psychology happening right here. We'll see. By the end of the day, we'll know who in charge. All right? So that's the end of my video. Now I want you guys to trade at your own risk. I'm not telling you guys now to enter for a sell. I'm not going to tell you to do that because I'm not giving any signals. All right? But this is a interesting level right here. Anything can happen. Now, if this market breaks this level, what may happen afterwards, you're going to have a break and then a retest. So once you see the break and the retest, Man, look here. I'm giving out a lot of good jewels right now. I'm giving out a lot of jewels right now. If the market breaks and retests the level where it actually breaks the zone, retests the zone, and you see confirmation, chances are the bulls will continue to carry the market higher, right? Or you might have a double top formation happen right here, and then the bears take the market back down to support. But we'll see. All right. So you guys have a wonderful day. I want you to comment. Feel free to comment and subscribe. And of course, hit the notification bell for your boy. All right. Give me a thumbs up as well for the YouTube algorithm so that it can be in my favor. You guys take care. Have a great day.